Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Shannon Navassier, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing planter's table using very reasonable items, mostly that I got from the Dollar Tree. Here's the full shopping list of what you'll need for today's DIY. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to be using these circular mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have 5 total. And I'm also going to be using these really sturdy paper towel holders. Now, I collect these from my bling wrap because they are super strong, but you can also get them again from paper towel holders. First, you're going to take a little bit of hot glue and add it to the bottom of your paper towel holder. And then you're going to take your rope or your jute cord and you're going to place that right on top of that speck of hot glue and press it down. It will look like this. You're just going to go ahead and wrap this all the way around. You can glue it in between if you want. I just suggest wrapping it all the way around and then just pressing it down and then adding a little bit of glue wherever you stop and then wrapping it all the way up to the top. Then you're going to take a scissors and cut it off and then add some more hot glue to secure it down. So here's what it looks like afterwards. You're going to go ahead and do that to the other 7 of your paper towel holders. So after you went ahead and you added rope around all of your paper towel holders, you should have 8 in total. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your 5 mirrors and you're going to add rope all the way around them and then a little bit of rope right in the inside. So you'll follow the same steps. You'll take a little bit of your hot glue and add it to the mirror, and then you'll place your rope on top of that and then wrap it all the way around. Next, you're going to go ahead and add rope to the side of your mirror as well. And here's what your mirror will look like once you went ahead and you added your rope all the way around it and to the sides of it. Now, this is taking a little bit longer than I expected, so I may only do 2 more just like this, and then we'll go ahead and assemble everything together.
5 hours later.
Okay, love, so I was able to go ahead and put rope around 4 of my mirrors. The 5th one broke, unfortunately. I am not superstitious, so it's all good. But next, what I'm going to do is take a pair of scissors and I'm going to clean up around the sides of the rope and cut off any frays that you see. So next, what I'm going to do is to begin to stack these up. So next, I'll go ahead, flip this over and add some hot glue to the bottom of my paper towel holder. And press it as close as you can to the side. Then add another layer of hot glue on the top of your paper towel holder. Then you're going to go ahead and take your second mirror and try and center it as best as possible. So for the next tier, I'm going to take 2 more of my paper towel holders and I'm going to place them in the opposite direction. Going this way, we want to give it a really cool design. Just add your hot glue to the bottom and place them on top of the glass. So follow the same steps and add your next tier. So then we'll add our last tier to the top. So here's how it's looking so far. I really love this. It's very nautical, it's very rustic. So what I'm going to do next is take a planter that I got from the Dollar Tree. It was originally blue, and I took some white spray paint and it wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be. So I took some white acrylic paint and painted it all the way around. It's still drying, that's why I have this paper right here that it's on. I'm gonna work while it dries still. So I'm gonna take this floral foam block that I got from the Dollar Tree and add it to the center. Now it should fit really snug, so you just press it all the way in and it shouldn't move. If yours does, go ahead and add some hot glue so you can secure it down. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some stones that I got from Dollar Tree as well. So next I'm going to take this greenery that I got from Michaels. I used it in a previous DIY. You can also use some greenery from the Dollar Tree that have ferns and all sorts of other greenery that you can just add it right inside of the styrofoam. But I thought this would be easier. I'm just going to go ahead and place this right inside of the styrofoam. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my plant and place it right on top of the planter table. I also have these small little planters that I did get from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just going to add them to the levels on the planter. Wow, can you believe how beautiful this turned out? I really love it. I was kind of scared it was going to turn into like a cat scratching post, but I think the plants really made it look a lot more better, and it turned out really well. I'm really proud of it, and I'm just loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY, and if you did, take a moment and hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next DIY. Have a blessed day. Bye.